Last week, I talked all about how I was in a creative rut and how I got out of it just using the black marker. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take one of these drawings and we're going to scale it up and we're going to make a big painting out of it. So come along, let's get started. It's going to be interesting and fun. Okay, so just to give an idea of what I'm working with here is these are just black and white drawings on index cards. And basically, I just scribbled a few lines down and filled them in with the marker. I found this way of creating refreshing. Again, this was at a time where I felt my work was at a dip and I didn't have the energy to do a lot of the stuff I wanted to do. So this just made sense to me. So I found it fun and very interesting. And I think this is a great way to express myself and to pursue how I feel and so forth. So what I want to do right now is I'm just going to do a quick one for you right now just to show you how it's done. So this is a 4x6 index card. Basically, all I do is draw some lines very randomly, right? And I fill them in. And voila, there you have it. So we're going to do something very similar on a larger scale. But what we're going to do is we're going to use paint. Let's take a little break. Let's set up and we'll begin.